How's it going, everyone? Weston here with GoWesty, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on the big auxiliary reverse light. Part number aux-reverse. I like to measure from the bottom of the hatch to the body line and find the center. And then I hold the bracket up to this raised portion where the taillight assembly mounts. Next, remove the taillight assembly and verify there is nothing behind the drilling location. Start by drilling your hole with a 5/16 inch drill bit. Then move up to a bigger size at 21/64. Next, install the LED to the bracket. Then run the bolt through the hole. With stainless steel hardware, I like to apply a little bit of anti-seize. Thread the bolt on and tighten the light up. Then run your wires as shown here. To run the wires cleanly, we like to notch the taillight housing. To do this, mark the taillight lens where the wires line up. To notch the taillight lens, we recommend using a file. If you have a die grinder, that makes the job a lot easier. Notch this just enough to fit the wire through. Not much is necessary. You may need to cut off some excess insulation. I do this by putting a slit in the insulation and pulling on the wires. Attach the spade to the red wire. Next, take the provided T-tap and attach it to the black wire with the blue tracer. This is pin number 2 coming off the back of the taillight plug. Take the positive wire spade and plug it into the T-tap. Then strip the ground wire and attach the provided eyelet. Next, find a good spot to install the ground. I like to take some sandpaper and scuff up the paint, then take the provided self-tapping screw and screw it through the eyelet to the body. Remount the taillight lens, making sure the wire fits where the notch was added. This sticker may need to be removed. Reinstall the previously removed screws from the taillight housing. Position the light that best suits your need and then tighten the bolt to lock it down. Lastly, test your lights for functionality. If everything works fine, you're all set to go. Thanks for following along this time, and we'll catch you on the next one.